Hi, it's Rue from the Casey Clark Show with Rue Phelps on Country 100.7. I want to introduce you to somebody. This is William, my little elf on the shelf. And I named him William for a couple reasons. One, that's a good solid name. It's my best friend's name. And I'm also a huge Don Williams fan, so I figured it kind of fit. He's pretty cute, eh? So now that Casey and I have our elf on the shelf, William, which hopefully Casey likes the name. I didn't even ask him. We're going to place him in different locations throughout the Okanagan, and we'll take a photo, and we'll post it on our Facebook page starting Monday, just after the 7 o'clock news. On Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we'll post a picture of William somewhere in the Okanagan. The first person to correctly identify where in the Okanagan this little elf on the shelf buddy is will win a mini facial from Aphrodite and Me Spa. Perfect for before Christmas. Perfect to give someone as a Christmas gift, right? So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for William. He's going to be going all over the place. Me and this guy, we're going to have some adventures, I can tell. Have a great weekend.